Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 4500 watt wireless remote start inverter generator with quiet technology is a standout option for anyone seeking reliable power in a portable package. Right out of the box, this generator impresses with its sleek design and robust build quality that feels durable enough to withstand outdoor conditions. One of the highlights of this generator is its 4500 watt output, which is more than sufficient for running essential appliances during power outages or for recreational use such as camping and tailgating. The inverter technology ensures that it produces clean power, making it safe for sensitive electronics like laptops and smartphones. The wireless remote start feature is a game changer. With a simple press of a button, you can start the generator from up to 80 feet away, which is particularly convenient during inclement weather. The intuitive control panel is user-friendly and well-organized, featuring multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets and a 12V DC outlet for charging batteries. Another standout feature is its quiet operation, boasting a noise level of only 58 dBA at a quarter load, which is quieter than a normal conversation. This makes it ideal for use in residential areas or campgrounds where noise restrictions may apply. Fuel efficiency is commendable as well, with the generator running for up to 14 hours on a full tank of gasoline at a quarter load. This long runtime reduces the frequency of refueling, saving both time and money. The generator also includes a fuel gauge, providing a clear indication of how much fuel is left, which is a thoughtful touch. However, it is worth noting that while the generator is relatively lightweight for its power output, it still requires two people to lift and move comfortably. Overall, the Champion Power Equipment 4500 watt inverter generator excels in performance, convenience, and quiet operation, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone in need of dependable power on the go.